Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to back up device folders and files in Microsoft OneDrive. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your OneDrive account. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. And the next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to look for camera backup. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on backup device folders. Then you have everything right here. First thing for, make sure this is turned on. Then you can also back up a new folder created. Simply turn this on also. I'm going to simply turn on this. Now we can come down right here and begin to select the folders that you would like to back up. So right here, I'm selecting some of the folder right here, this one right here, this one right here, and my WhatsApp messages. Then scroll down and choose some of the things that you would like to back up as a folder right here. It's as simple as that. Once you are done, you are good to go. So basically, this is how to simply back up device folders and files in Microsoft OneDrive in order to not to lose your virtual your fighter document. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.